Swartland has been manufacturing top-quality doors and windows since 1951. We offer 3 wooden window and door ranges to the market. Our flagship Cape Culture range, when only the best will do. The popular Winsters range, and also our value for money range, KO. All products carry a manufacturer's guarantee and are SANS 613 certified. We've recently introduced Kenzo, a comprehensive range of aluminium windows and doors, to the Swartland family. Available nationally from leading hardware retailers, this range is SANS 613 approved. For peace of mind, all Swartland products come with our renowned manufacturing excellence, national sales force and quality guarantee certificates. To ensure that our products work efficiently, it is important that you install them correctly. Follow the steps in this Kenzo Aluminium how-to video guide and you'll be able to install doors and windows like an expert. Before you begin, make sure you have the following: a spirit level, a saw, a hammer, screwdrivers, a rivet gun, a drill with different sized bits, a tape measure. This video demonstration contains information necessary for the proper installation of a Kenzo aluminium window. Make a small opening in the plastic on the top of the window to remove the handles and lugs. Leave the protective plastic wrapping on the window. This will prevent cement and paint from spoiling the glass. The parts required to install our products are supplied. Please check that the pack contains a window, a handle or handles depending on the number of openers, 4 screws for each handle, 2 plastic end plates per handle and fixing lugs. Step 1. Ensure the cavity is level and square. First, measure the cavity to make sure the window will fit properly. First the width, then the height. The cavity should be 100 mm higher than the actual window to allow space for bricks at the bottom. Place bricks underneath the frame on the windowsill. Add spacers to make up the difference in height. Measure the height again. Use a spirit level at the top, on both sides and on the base to make sure that the space is level and plumb. Step 2. Inserting the frame into the cavity. Attach the lugs. The lugs are supplied and need to be attached to the window. The longer side must face inwards, towards the interior of the room. Use 2 lugs on the top of the window and 1 on either side, or more if it is a larger window. Make sure the window is the right way up, with the Kenzo label facing the outside of the building and in the top left-hand corner of the window. Ease the window into the cavity. Do not remove the plastic wrapping yet. It is there to protect the glass. Position the window so that it's 90 mm in from the outside wall. Check that the distance is 90 mm at the left and right, top and bottom to make sure that the window fits in squarely. Step 3. Attaching the frame to the wall. Once you're satisfied that the window is correctly aligned, drill through the lugs into the brickwork and insert the wall plugs and attach to the wall with screws to ensure that the window is securely anchored in place. Step 4. Fitting the handle. Once the plasterwork is all done, you are ready to fit the handle into the 4 pre-prepared holes. There are 4 small, blunt screws provided. Use only these. Any other screw could break the glass. Screw them into the handle. Then put on the end caps provided. Always use a screwdriver and never use a cordless drill to tighten the screws. Step 5. Removing the protective packaging. Once the window is fitted, plastered and painted, you can cut away the protective plastic layer and decal. Your installation is now complete. If you have any questions, please contact your local Swartland representative.